Every day, around 60 massive oil carriers make a crucial journey from the Persian Gulf to China, supplying almost half of China's oil. But as we navigate through the South China Sea, these waters are increasingly controlled by China's growing military with missile batteries, airfields, and advanced destroyers. Once these tankers cross the vast Indian Ocean, joining others from Africa and Brazil, they lack protection in an area mostly controlled by the US. This vulnerability is now under scrutiny, with Western military experts quietly considering how a conflict with China, whether over Taiwan or elsewhere, might unfold in this critical geopolitical landscape. In the Indian Ocean, Chinese oil tankers could be very vulnerable. According to David Brewster, a security scholar, China's naval vessels could be effectively trapped without air support, as they lack their bases or facilities. Insights from envoys and analysts reveal a consensus that this vulnerability provides China's adversaries with various options crucial in prolonged conflicts. These options range from harassment and interdiction operations to extreme measures like a blockade, potentially impacting China's actions. In a full scale war, these massive tankers, each capable of carrying 2 million barrels of oil, could become targets reminiscent of naval warfare targeting economic resources. Analysts suggest that these options could dissuade China from action or escalate costs in a Taiwan invasion, but the impact on Beijing's calculations remains unclear. Notably, questions to China's defense ministry about its stance in the Indian Ocean have gone unanswered. Despite a vast military satellite network, China lacks air cover in the Indian Ocean, raising concerns about the sustainability of a prolonged Taiwan conflict, as noted by analysts. In a potential confrontation between China and the West in the Indian Ocean, the conflict scale and location could become almost uncontrollable. China usually maintains several surveillance vessels, warships, and a submarine in the Indian Ocean, but its most powerful assets remain untested. There's anticipation among analysts that this might change, especially with an emphasis on piracy patrols to safeguard supply lines, responding to concerns about control by hegemonic countries.